G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am at Kelvin Grove in Brisbane, right near the Queensland University of Technology, Kelvin Grove campus. And there's a place down the road here called dannyboys. Now dannyboys is a sandwich shop and it's got a 4.7 Google star rating, so I'm going to whip in, grab one of their sandwiches and give it a go. See what the old GregO thinks about it and give it my own star rating. Let's go get one. Alright, well here we go, the Danny Boys sandwich. It cost me $12. Woo-wee! Must be good. Anyway, I got the Italian Stallion. Let's suss it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, it looks like it could be some good size. Oh yum. Gee, that looks alright. That's got to be about 8 inches long, I reckon, and
that's what she said.
God, the girth on it.
That's what she said.
Oh, I'm jealous! Now, the Italian Stallion is Italian salami, sliced mortadella, sliced leg ham, provolone cheese, red onions, Kalamata olives, shredded lettuce, Danny Boy's homemade mayonnaise, and Danny Boy's homemade Dijon dressing. Oh, yeah, mate, that sounds awesome! Suss it out. Oh, look how many layers of meats on there. Oh, gee, I tell you what, they don't skimp. There's that provolone, the calamatas, the olives, homemade bread too, the Italian salami. Ooh, yummo. Yeah, I tell you what, that's looking pretty good. That is an Italian stallion. They could also call it the GregO. Yeah, sure thing, mate. That is a good-looking sanger. Right, let's go. Oh. Mm. 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 Boy, this is messy. Lettuce is just falling up everywhere. But I can really taste that salami. What about this mortadella? What's that like? Yeah, you can really taste all the, like the mayonnaise and the Dijon on this too. You can get a hint of the cheese in there, and definitely the salami and the mortadella and the lettuce. In fact, I can taste everything on this. This is going down an absolute treat so far, and that bread is just so fresh. Oh. Mm. Oh yeah, that's good, but it's very messy. 2 bites in and that's the amount of lettuce and calamatas that's fallen out so far. Oh boy, I could probably feed some farm animals with that. And it's quite juicy and quite liquidy as well, so there's heaps of stuff falling out all the time. So you will have to take care if you come and grab one. But this is a really nice and tasty sandwich. And they put heaps of meat on it too. Like, it goes all the way down. The whole 8 inches. 8 inches of meat, mate. Oh, what more do you want?
That's what she said.
I'm even finding the lettuce with the Dijon and mayonnaise on it. Like, edible all on its own. Nearly. Now the bread on this, beautiful and fresh, but it can get a little like chewy underneath and on top. It's a nice fresh chewy bread roll there that tastes really nice. But if you've got bad teeth, you might want to beware about that. Could rip out a filling if you're not careful. Well, I think I've had enough of it now to know what 5-star rating the old GregO is going to give it. Well, value-wise, $12. Whew. I suppose it's the same size as a big burger with probably more meat on it, and a good solid feed though that will fill you up. No worries. Flavour-wise, well, there's nice flavours in this. The meat's all nice and fresh, and as well as everything else on this. You can taste all the ingredients on it, the calamata and cheese and all those meats, and the bread's nice, and the Dijon and mayo's good. It's a little bit liquidy, but hey, it just helps with digestion. All around, I think it's a really tasty sandwich and, well, pretty good value for money, considering the size of it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Danny Boys Italian Stallion Sandwich, it's getting a 5 GregO stars. What a great sandwich this is. So what's my recommendation? Well, if you've got to go to QUT Kelvin Grove campus to be indoctrinated with some whatever they're teaching you there, whip on down to Danny Boys. Try one of their sandwiches. They're pretty good, and you can probably cut it in half and get lunch and dinner out of it if you're a poor uni student or a struggling YouTuber like me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat a sandwich. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are fake.